G'day, so I'm back. I've got the results in for the street light out report hustle. I've got to come up with something better than that. Shorten it up a little bit, that's far too long, but that's what we're going to call it for now. So as you know, I reported 6, and let's see what money we earn off those 6 reported street lights. So remember, if they haven't repaired the street light within 5 working days, then we get $25. But what I didn't realise until I did a little bit more research, it's not a one-off payment. So if it takes $5, you get $25, and then you get a further $25 for every 5 working days that it's not repaired. So if it takes 15 working days, well, that's $75. And you can imagine though, if it was 2 or 3 was a run of street lights in the one street that are not working, perhaps there's damage to the pits or the underground cabling, then you could have 4 or 5 street lights out. Because it's a major job, it could take a couple of months or 6 weeks or so to fix. So potentially out of that you could earn $1,000 easy, if not more. And I have read stories that this has actually occurred, so that's a good little tip too. So if you can hit those, you've hit the jackpot, really. Money for nothing. You make money while you sleep. So this is my results. I had 6 street lights that I reported, and out of those 6, 1, they referred back to the council. They weren't, SA Power Networks weren't actually looking after those street lights, and it was up to the council, so I miss out there. 2 were repaired before that 5-day time limit. 1 was repaired on day 6, and then 2 were repaired on day 7. So that's 3. 3 that took over 5 days, so I can expect a payment of $75. So I look forward to that. And it took me, about 2 hours, 2.5. I was more interested in making this video than I was actually reporting streetlights, so I could have done it quicker. But even at 2 hours, $75, that's $37.50 per hour. That's nothing, to be sneezed at. That's pretty good money in anyone's books, especially for a side hustle. All right, so to recap this whole side hustle, you need to look for an area that hasn't got LED lights, number 1 rule, unless it's a new subdivision, new area, and they'll have LED lights, but they're not quite all working yet. They've got to iron out those kinks. So hit that area up. Side streets are best. And here's a new one for you that I didn't mention before. Yeah, try and find a street that's one-way streets, or that's a very busy street with narrow roads, and that there's a lot of cars parked on the side. Areas where they can't just stop and then do their work. In these areas they probably need traffic control. It takes a lot more to set up, and therefore it takes them longer to do. They have to book that all in, and there's more of a chance that they won't get it done within the 5 days. So that's a few tips there. Certainly worth doing. I recommend it, absolutely. And thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe, like, comment, share. I'll remember all those one day. But you know what to do. You've heard of the spiel before. And I'll keep coming out with some videos. And I've got a few more up my sleeve. In fact, I've got plenty more up my sleeve, many of which are just unique to YouTube. And I'll catch you. Cheers. Bye.